You ran to the ATM, took out
whatever.
What's it? 2,000. That's
$2,000.
Two G's. Is that 2 G's?
That's 2 G's. The 20,000 Hong Kong dollars.
G's. I know what G's is.
G's?
Is that what it is?
No, not 2 G's.
Like in hip hop,
Ks.
don't they say?
2K.
Oh, what's
2 G's is grams. It's dope.
Oh. Hello, everybody. My name is Steven. I am a crypto dummy, idiot.
Yeah.
I know nothing about crypto.
Not only you know nothing, but you're resistant to knowing something.
I am. I'm too. It's a very scary space for me.
Yeah.
Okay, this is episode 1 of crypto with him. Would you say you're a crypto expert?
No, I'm a crypto practitioner.
What does that mean?
Practitioner, that means I actually practice crypto in my everyday. So for me, what it means is that I put my money where my mouth is.
Amine is a very big character. If you like these videos, you might subscribe, leave a comment.
Absolutely.
And if you have any questions, just drop them in the box below, and maybe Amine will attempt to answer them. Maybe Amine will attempt to answer them one day.
English.
All right, just very quickly, what's the name of your company?
CRD Network, and my token, his name is crdtoken.org, and it's not a company. You need to understand, it's a decentralized autonomous organization. We can explain this later on.
You're already melting my brain.
I know.
So we're just gonna start right at the beginning, okay?
Yes, sir.
And the question that I have to ask you, Amine, is how did you even get into the crypto space?
Story is very simple. Long story short,
You say everything is simple, Amine, and it's not simple at all.
Okay.
He says that all the time. He says it's so simple.
Yeah. 5 a.m.
My mind is lost immediately.
4:30 a.m. I was in an after-hour club called
Keep
the
it
Buddha
clean.
Lounge.
Keep it clean.
And this guy came up to me and he's like, "Hey."
Where was this?
This is in Hong Kong.
What year was it?
Probably 2015 or something like that.
And what were you doing at the time in your life?
I was 15, 16. I was in the financial markets. I was basically a broker.
What's a broker exactly?
I used to help people buy and sell the index of so the KOSPI, the HSI, which are basically the index of Korea and Hong Kong.
Okay, so a random guy sits at you, you've had a few drinks.
Yeah.
He starts going on about Bitcoin.
Yeah.
He tries to flog some of them to you.
Exactly.
I don't even
So
know.
I
I don't even know what Bitcoin is.
I'm like,
wait, hold on. That suggests
I did not look to know what's Bitcoin. For me,
you're a marketing man's dream. I mean, he told you about it. You went straight to the ATM.
Listen to me. No, it was basically an evaluation of the best use of my money that day. He looked a little bit sketchy, but anyways. So that got me.
Seems like you're in good company.
Absolutely. So that got me interested in what's going on.
Did you research the topic of crypto?
Yeah, so I started, when you're an institutional broker, this is not a very liquid market, so you get a lot of time in between trades. And during that time, I used it basically to look up Bitcoin, etc. To be frank with you, for 4 or 5 months, I did not understand what was happening. But the thing that started striking me is when I started understanding the Ethereum network type of environment.
Ethereum network.
Yeah, we'll talk about that later. But
when did you make your first investment? That's all anybody wants to know.
No investment, but probably $200 or something like that, $1,000.
What was the first thing you splashed out on?
It was probably I don't remember. It was Ethereum or some other coin. I don't even remember.
And how much is it worth now? That's what people want to know.
Ethereum is worth like today $2,700 a coin.
So the initial coin that you bought is now worth...
Oh, Ethereum is the ICO was like $10, $12 or something like that.
ICO?
Yeah, the initial coin offering.
Initial coin offering.
Yeah, when they introduced this thing into the market.
Okay, but do you still have that initial coin that you first bought?
Dude, now I have a lot of Ethereum. I'm a hardcore believer in Ethereum. As a matter of fact, the CRD token tries to improve the utility factor of the Ethereum network on building useful applications in top of that network. You understand?
No.
You don't understand. So, okay, so it's very easy. There's this guy, okay, that speaks like this. Okay, his name is Vitalik.
That's you, man.
Yeah, well, no, for different reasons. But but Vitalik is an actual, legitimate nerd. So he invented this thing called the Ethereum network, okay? And Ethereum is basically Bitcoin on crack, okay? Bitcoin with the utility, with the programmable digital currency. Okay? And this basically gives spark to a whole ecosystem that was built since the inception of that token. Okay? So since the inception of that token, today Ethereum is the biggest cryptocurrency by the not the factor of market cap, but the factor of the community and the ecosystem.
Would you say that you were hooked on crypto from the beginning? You seem crypto obsessed.
Yeah, warning, crypto is addictive.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have an addictive personality, and that's
Exactly.
why. That's
You're
why,
the
that's
perfect
why
fit for crypto.
I'm worried. I'd be worried. So that was it. So then, what did you do? Did you pack in your job as the high stakes Hong Kong broker dude?
No, I was in a dying.
All about ICOs and utilities.
I can sound glamorous, but it wasn't a glamorous story. For me, I was in a dying industry, which is the index brokerage, a very illiquid industry.
Okay.
And
liquid.
Basically there was no money to be made.
What do you mean by liquid industry?
Illiquid. So that means that there are no trade happening, and when there is a trade, everyone is on it, and the margins for the brokers were going down and reducing all the time. So it was like shit industry. Okay. So what I did is that basically I said, okay, my time is better allocated trying to do something new than trying to pursue something just to pay the bills. And this is who I am. I don't care about the money, I care about the prospects.
Me.
Yeah.
Complete, don't know anything. And even though I've been listening to you for the last 10 minutes, or however long this video cuts to, I still don't understand anything. What should I do? What's the first step I should take?
Just buy crypto.
Okay, so, but I heard like Bitcoin is like 50,000 or something like that. I don't have 50,000.
You can buy a fraction of the Bitcoin. You can buy $50 of Bitcoin. You know? There is no minimum.
I can buy $50 of Bitcoin?
Yes.
And do I get a whole coin?
No, you don't. The coin, you get a fraction. You get a
$50 of a 50 grand coin.
Who gives a shit? As long as
language, I mean.
Sorry.
Children might be watching this, interested in getting into crypto.
As long as you are involved in this industry and having a stake in understanding the technology, because the technology is very relevant.
If I buy $50 of crypto, how much will they worth in a week? I want to get rich.
No. If you want to get rich in this industry, don't be passive. Be active. Be active. You have a brain, no?
According to this video, exactly. I don't.
No. This environment rewards you for sticking around and trying to deliver a use case. As easy as that.
Okay, so look, here's the thing, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to put $50 into crypto later on.
Yes.
I'm going to put $50 into Bitcoin. It seems like a starting place for a lot of people.
Yes.
That sound good? What do I do? Download some app or something? How does it work?
No, I mean, look, you can go to MetaMask. I suggest you interact with Ethereum because it's a much more diversified.
When you say Ethereum, I think of like a Star Trek planet or something like that.
Exactly. So once you interact with Ethereum, you will see that you're gonna go down a rabbit hole. Okay?
Oh, great.
Yeah. But the most important.
How do I get out of the rabbit hole?
Well, maybe reach one day. Okay.
All right. Listen. Enough of this. We've talked enough. Did you understand any of this? Anything you didn't understand? Put a comment below.
Yeah.
I've got a million questions on this subject. I've got a million questions. Okay. I feel like a 4-year-old.
Well, you're not a 4-year-old.
Well, I feel like we're now asking about this subject.
But guess what? Be a 4-year-old now before it's too late.
Has my ear been stuck out there the whole time? God. Okay, all right, listen.
He's Irish, so be careful.
We need to wrap up this video. I mean, do you want to quickly give a plug to your thing again there? Go ahead.
Well, I developed a CRD network. This is a project that's been going on for like 3 years or something like that. So it's not the most successful project out there, but it has substance.
You can't say that.
Success is relative.
You're trying to plug yourself. You can't say it's not the most successful project ever.
For me, I'm delivering value, and you deliver value over long term. Your mother did not make you who you are within one day. It took her 18 years, and probably I see you, she failed.
All right, that's it. Say goodbye to everybody, man.
Ciao.
Smile more when I see you.